Good evening, my friends. Welcome back to another episode of 757 Lens. Got a special unboxing for you tonight. I ordered this over Christmas time, however, it was back ordered, and my present just arrived the other day. So, got a new little remote vlogging device here, you could say, and I hope to use this out in the field. Wow, look how dirty this thing's got. There we go. So, I've already removed the plastic from it, save us a little time. But I figured, hey, let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing of the Osmo Pocket 3. Right. Gel pack. Okay. So, alright. So, like everything is inside of a little kit case here. Instructions. And, a little bit more paperwork here. Set this over to the side. Alright. Alright. Quick start guide. And something for advertising. Extra instructions. And some stickers, because, hey, let's copy Apple and be unoriginal. Alright, what do we have in here? Okay, this looks like our hard case for when we want to carry this in our actual pocket. Yep. Oh, so it has a rubber coating on the outside of the plastic here. This actually makes it feel real good, and it is definitely not slippery. Excellent. Let's go ahead. All right, so here's our case, and we have room in here for the wide angle lens up here and another adapter lens right there. So, get all this stuff out of the way. And let's go ahead and open up the main package. All right. This is nice. Kind of looks like a shower kit. Definitely premium, though. Feels good. Let's see what's inside here. Hope you all had a good holiday. Oh, baby. There we go. USB on the bottom for your dock and stuff and your extra battery. Got a little joy controller, joypad there, D-pad, whatever you want to call it. And I'm guessing that's a record button. All right. Piece of paper. Ooh, right on. All right, I'm getting ahead of myself. Look at that thing moving. Awesome. All right, there's the camera. All right, here's our DJI wireless mic. It actually looks a little smaller than the Series 1 mics that I have here in this photo. So we'll do a quick comparison here in a minute. I'm sitting down. I can't see the camera, so I hope I don't have this off screen. All right, this looks like our extended battery. Okay. Little hot ports there. USB-C. Got another piece of paper here, which we'll put that off later. Let's see what we have here. Like how everything's individually sealed in here too. Very nice. Right, I'm guessing this is the regular battery. Just like the other piece here, it'll fit down here on the bottom. So we did that one. Should definitely make it easier to hold it in your hand. Or this one. All right. Next. This appears to be the bottom of the tripod. Or stand, whatever. Yep, there we go. This feels kind of cheap actually. Got some good rubber there to keep it from spinning, create some friction. All right. What else do we have in here? USB cable. All right, there are the one in the lens. And I'm not sure what the other one is here. Okay, this is the lens. And okay, this is the magnet that will go on the back of this, so you can hook it up to your t-shirt if you don't have something to clip it on to. All right, so that's just like the other ones that came with that. And then in here we have our dead cat and a wrist strap. So nice. All right, I'm not going to unpack everything here. Briefly here, just going to do a size comparison. Now, I saw in another video that came out yesterday, I think, with Thomas Heaton, famous photographer. He had kind of a bunch of reasons not to buy one of these, and one of them was that the Series 1 DJI set does not sync to this. Only this one does. So that might be something they correct during a software update later on. But as it is right now, only this external mic will connect to this device. They are about the same size. This is just a tiny, tiny bit bigger on the original DJI mic. So there you have it. We've got a nice little unboxing here of our Osmo 3. And I hope to go out in the field with this in a few days, actually, and kind of put this thing through its paces. It's Thursday as I record this. So, yeah, Saturday's just 2 days away. Yeah, trying to be very, very gentle with this. So, yeah, that's how it'll sit down in there. And there you have it. DJI Osmo unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll have some more info on this soon. Have a great night. Bye.